Hi everyone, I'm back to share a butterfly loaded envelope with you. This is for a Facebook group. I am using DCWV's Butterfly Garden paper for the back portion of the front of the envelope, and then the front paper itself for the main pocket. Again, this is using DCW Butterfly Garden. I just picked it up at Tuesday morning, was lucky enough to find it there because I had never even seen it before. So I'm going to start with showing you, this is a little mini album. Directions are on YouTube, multiple different options to make that. This is using an internet printable. I did use Wink Stella on here so that you can see the glitteriness, and it just adds a little shimmer to match the rest of the front of the loaded envelope. This is a cutout from the same paper, the paper line, and again, Wink Stella, so there is some glitter on there too. And then I did a little binding and some cheesecloth, a little piece of lace, and a little pearl. Once we open this up, I did use a Prima tag. I roughed up the edges there, and then the stamp says "Believe in Your Dreams," and that's done with Ranger's Peach Colored Antiquities embossing powder. And then we have some die cuts, punched tags actually just from the paper line. There's another butterfly, it's really pretty. And this embellishment is a 2.5 by 5. It's just a piece of paper that's downsized from the front piece there too. So again, ATC, or a pocket letter size paper. This is a flag made with the same paper. Again, this was taken off like the front of this. I had made 4 cards for a Facebook group card swap. So I did the same thing, but in card size. So it was a little bit larger. And then that was the top part. And I just used that to make a flag to add into this. And then on the side, we just have an envelope with a little bit of cardstock in it. The paper itself does not match that, but it matches the greens and yellows in there. And then just a dollar store stickable embellishment to go with it since it's butterfly themed. We have 3 of the same cutouts of stamped images as "Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful." And I love it in black. The Tim Holtz inks just don't really stamp the greatest, but the black is beautiful. Anyway, so we'll put that back in there. This is another flag. Butterfly says "Enjoy the journey." I'll stick that back in there. And then I seem to have forgotten to put the piece that I was going to put in there in that. So on the front of the loaded envelope, these are just some, well, this is from the paper line to make a pocket. Dollar store stickers that happen to match in the same color, some flat back pearls. This piece of paper, again, is the printable off the internet. That can just pop up. It's on just a sticky dot in the back, and it's just tucked underneath the lace at the top. So that is usable. She can take that right off. I just want to show the Wink of Stella and how beautiful that is, and the shimmer. I absolutely love it. I just picked up the clear, and I don't know what I waited so long for. This is a satin flower. Again, the tutorials are online, and I did follow one of those, and I think I like them a little bit fuller, but these are really, really pretty. The bling is from Hobby Lobby. It has a fabric flower, and then again, 2 more butterflies, and these are from the paper line that were just cut out, fussy cut, and then Wink Stella and gold edged on the edges of the paper there. So I'm going to move on to the wand here. So this wand just has some, I don't know what you call the paper pack that I use, but it's just a shiny pink paper that I use for the doily punch. This and this paper match there, so I made the rosette. Some more cheesecloth, again another one of the satin flowers with a pink butterfly fussy cut out there for the butterfly there. Sorry about that. And then I did coffee stained lace for the back side, and then just pink tulle for the front wand. We move into the goodies. Let me pull out. Well, I guess they are not in order. Okay, these are the flat dominoes from the Dollar Tree. I did gesso the top of them so the color of the dots would not come through. I used some washi tape that stuck very well after that. And then I used some of the eyelash trim, actually 4 more of the die cut flowers, or not flowers, the butterflies that are out of this paper right there. This is the EK Success Retro Mini Flowers punched out. 2 of them, they're gold edged, as well as each of the butterfly wings. And so those are just stuck also with pop dots, or the sticky dots on the back. So that's hopefully some embellishments she'll be able to use. There's 2 store-bought ones from the Dollar Tree, from Hobby Lobby, are to be added for that. And then I was able to pick up some more goodies from Joann's. It does have the butterfly charm embellishments and then some flat back gems for her to use. On the back side of this, pretty much in every project that I send, I do a decoupaged tracing paper envelope just for some goodies. So there are die cut butterflies down in there. There's a butterfly frame that's also included in there, and then some solid watercolored colored butterflies. And then some of the other papers are the Prima, just because I love that paper so much. This is a larger printout of the same picture that's on the front of the mini album. I did not use any Wink of Stella on this. She can choose to do that if she wants to. And then this card came from Tuesday Morning. It's a pack of 15. I absolutely love everything about their cards that they have there. I love the gold. I love the butterflies. I love their paper. Right now this is blank, but I'm going to stick my message in there on just a piece of paper and add to it so she can still use the card at a later time herself. And then this is a pouch made with the memory keepers. It's called the Scallop Goodie Bag Guide. So anyway, it's a long, narrow with a scalloped center part. Anyway, you put it on the 12 by 12 paper, you tear the paper, which makes the scalloped edge here, then you reverse it and you do it for the bottom, and it's great actually. It uses 1 piece of paper, or 12 by 12 paper. You don't use the cardstock heavyweight designer paper, though. It's just a regular scrapbook paper. Here's a butterfly charm that's hanging, just add some weight to keep that down, and this just unwinds like that. I love this. It's such a good idea. And then inside, I'm adding in some just a doily embellishment. This is an Anna Griffin punch out. So these butterflies all punch out on this card. I have a pack of those. This is a printable from the internet. Again, these colors match this project very, very well. Even the green with the back. It's just really pretty cool. So she can cut those out and fussy cut them if she chooses to. I gave her 3 pieces of the Mariposa pack, the butterfly pack. It's gorgeous paper. I love the black and the blue and aqua and teal colors together. And then another butterfly piece of paper. So she can use these however she feels. And that's going to go right back here. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, please feel free to, and watch some more projects that are coming in and going out. Thanks so much. Have a great day.